Your business runs on speed and efficiency. And with challenges and competition increasing by the day, you can't afford to take a risk on devices. No matter what type of environment you're in, they've got to work right on time, every time. That's why our MC9000 family is the world's long-time, best-selling, ultra-rugged mobile computer. Fast, secure, reliable. It gets the job done shift after shift. But who said best? Can't get even better, right? Introducing the next evolution to the ultra-rugged MC9400 series. Because your work conditions are only getting tougher and more demanding. We've added new technologies to help you overcome them and take productivity to new heights by evolving the industry's leading rugged mobile computer. Choose the way you want to communicate and connect with public and private 5G data, while also harnessing faster speeds and reduced network congestion with Wi-Fi 6E. Improve worker productivity and data accuracy with up to 20% longer extended range scanning, responsive close range, and an innovative green laser aimer that's visible even in bright sunlight. Triumph over the toughest conditions with specialized models and features built for anything, from working in sub-zero temperatures to environments with hazardous materials. With all new technologies, you can do more than ever before. Lost a device? No worries. With our new BLE battery, you can now track devices even if they're powered off. And share devices quickly amongst teams with new, highly secure, easy-to-log-in facial biometrics. When it comes to the MC9000 family you know and trust, we've built upon that same reliable core, but made it even better. The new MC9400 series, only from Zebra.